Green Storm. You know, throughout all these days, people always complaining, stressing, aggravating. Just do you and everything will be fine. But motherfuckers don't think that way these days. Everybody want to be in everybody else's fucking business. This man did this girl did that. Yo, I hit this, yo, I hit that. Yo, why don't you just go in the fucking bathroom and jerk off somewhere? Leave me the fuck alone.
Surly attitude, give a fuck reprove, get the whole world the middle finger you. People say I've changed, maybe it's for the better. Niggas shady ways just made me tougher than leather. The hatred that I spew was caused by only you. Reside in the motherfucking Brooklyn Zoo. Alongside gorillas and snakes, pigeon toe bitches. Fat ass with no face, niggas throw up sets like bulimia. Streets are getting seedier, scavengers and hustlers getting greedier. Don't talk about my car, I get from A to B. Your bum is steady walking, at least you push the beat. Can't you see like total an answer don't owe you. I'm a wet, you a rookie. Nigga, I can't coach you. Get the fuck out of here.
It's the real hip-hop.
It's the real hip-hop. About to spaz in your bastards. Y'all some homo niggas like Omar. Monster, I eat bars. I'm a general, I got 5 stars. Never frequent strip clubs. I don't pay for teachers, rather get paid by the clubs to unleash my decent shit. I spit hotter than fish streets. Rewards with no teeth. Those grits go down to my don't piece sheet. You want the job done right? Do it yourself. My flow is autopilot, you're calling for help. SOS signal out, ghost right is needed. I go mic jack on the track, a nigga just beats it. I think it's a eats it, the pussy I eats it. I be in some freak shit, I can't believe it. It's not no secret. It's not a secret. I'm nice with this shit. Who that? Say what? It's your boy Darcy. Skinny nigga all my life, but now I'm husky. Hate when women look good, but they twice musty. Only got like to live, ain't try to judge me. Fuck boys talk, but they ain't doing nothing. Walk around front, always good at fucking bluffing. Yeah, he bites like a pit bull. I got a talent, flip fools. Could it be so simple? Do my daughter attention. Don't give a fuck in the fucking pregnant. It's the Beck shit. I fucking wreck shit.